Namaste, welcome to Paru Yoga. I am Paru. Let us practice yoga poses which are helpful for boosting fertility. This is also a highly requested video. Always remember that the information provided here is not to be considered as a medical advice. So consult your doctor. Let's get started. Be in Dandasana. Let us be in partial Vajrasana by folding your left leg to be in half lotus pose. If your right knee is not touching the mat, then you may use blocks or cushion according to your height and need. Inhale and raise your left arm. Exhale and now wrap your left arm around your waist and hold the thumb of your leg. Inhale and raise your right arm. Exhale and hold your left knee and pull it to yourself while the knee pushes away. Feel some resistance from both leg and the hand. You are pulling towards your opposite shoulders. Inhale while exhaling, twist your upper body. Just your torso should turn around. Your hips are grounded and turn your neck towards the back as well. Hold here for 3 to 5 breaths. Exhale, and if you have any discomfort in your neck, you may face straight as well. Exhale and release your neck and legs as well, and get ready for next round. Be in Dandasana. Let us be in partial Vajrasana by folding your right leg to be in half lotus pose. Inhale and raise your right arm. Now wrap your right arm around your waist and hold the right thumb of your leg. Inhale and raise your left arm. Exhale and hold your right knee and pull it to yourself while the knee pushes away. Feel some resistance from both leg and the hand. Inhale while exhaling, twist your upper body and turn your neck towards the back as well. Hold here for 3 to 5 breaths. Exhale and release your neck and legs as well. Be in Dandasana. Bend your right knee. The right knee is upwards. Try to place your heel ahead of the line as your comfort. Hug your knee and sit upright, and the toes of the leg points towards the face. Inhale, raise your right hand. Exhale and lean a bit forward and wrap your hand around your knee and take it backwards. And similarly, take your left arm back and try to catch the wrist of right hand if possible. If not, you may hold your fingers. If this is not possible, then You may try to reach the fingers as much as you can. Inhale deep, exhale and go all the way down forward and place your chin or forehead on your knee. Here you may go down as much as you can according to your comfort. Your stomach is pulled in throughout the process. This helps in activating internal organs. Inhale, up, exhale and release. Bend your left knee. Try to place your heel ahead of the line as your comfort. Hug your knee and sit upright, and the toes of the leg points towards the face. Inhale, raise your left hand. Exhale and lean a bit forward and wrap your hand around your knee and take it backwards. And similarly, take your right arm back and try to catch the wrist of right hand if possible. If not, you may hold your fingers. If this is not possible, then you may try to reach the fingers as much as you can. Inhale deep, exhale and go all the way down forward and place your chin or forehead on your knee. Here you may go down as much as you can according to your comfort. Your stomach is pulled in throughout the process. This helps in activating internal organs. Inhale, up, exhale and release. Lay on your back and bend your knees. Bend the elbows and then place your palms flat on the floor beside your head. Your arms should remain parallel and your fingertips should be just along your shoulders. When ready, slowly press your hands into the floor and begin to lift your hips, torso and shoulders off the mat. Don't allow your arms to spread. Engage your core and glutes to help support the pose and back. Remember to keep your feet and elbows from spreading apart from one another. Keep lifting the torso upward and opening the chest. Allow the head to hang with no tension. You may find gentle motion in your legs as well. Stay here for a few seconds. This helps in activating internal organs. Now release from the pose by gently placing the head back on the ground and then drop the rest of your body onto the mat. Rest for a while in Savasana before trying again or moving on to the next pose. Lay on your back, eyes are closed. Spread your hands on your side. Your eyes are closed. Hands and legs are spread at ease. We are trying to rest in an active way. Observe the normal breath, how they come and go. It is one of the best ways to relax your body and mind and become stress-free. Be here for some time. Sarvangasana. Lie on your back. Inhale to bend your knees gently. Raise your legs vertically while lifting your hips and support your lower back with your hands. Fingers should be on your waist and thumb should be in stomach. Stay here for a few seconds. Breathing is normal. This pose helps stimulate the thyroid gland, which plays a vital role in fertility issues. It also helps calm your mind and relieve stress. Now exhale and fold your knees. Gently lower the hips. Release the hands from the back and assume the starting position. Take a few deep breaths and then rest a while. Breathe normally and sit in a comfortable position. Variation of Paschimottasana. Be in Dandasana and then be in a split pose. Legs are wide as much as possible. Inhale, raise your both hands above and exhale to lower them down to the right to catch the right toe and try to touch the knee by the forehead. If you cannot, then you may go down as much as possible. Be here for a few seconds. Find some motion in your hands and you may cure your legs as well. This asana even helps to activate the ovaries and uterus, the key organs responsible for conception. Now inhale to raise both hands gently and now next side. While your hands are above, exhale and gently lower them down to the left and catch the left. Try to touch the knee by the forehead or may go down as much as possible. Be here for a few seconds. This will activate reproductive organs. Inhale to raise both hands gently and exhale to release your hands. Be in Dandasana, hands are on the back for support. Rest and relax by finding some gentle movements in your legs for a while. Now inhale, raise your both hands parallel in front. Exhale gently, twist your body to the right. Hold for a few seconds. Inhale back to the center and exhale to the left. Hold. Inhale back to the center. Exhale gently, twist your body to the right. Hold and to the center. Exhale to the left. Hold. Inhale back to the center. Be in Sukhasana with crossed leg, a meditative pose. Send your both hands back. Hold opposite arms. Inhale and stretch your shoulders back slightly. And exhale to turn to your right slightly and drop your head to the right. Toss the knee if possible. You may drop as much as you can. Come back to the center while you inhale. Next side. Inhale and exhale, turn to your left slightly. Drop your head to the left knee. Hold for few seconds. Come back to the center while you inhale. Exhale to turn to your right. Come back to the center. And exhale, turn to your left. Come back to the center. Inhale and exhale, drop your head forward. Hold. You may use a block here as soon. Come back to the center. And you may release the hands. Now let's be in a child's pose and end today's session by an active relaxation. You are in Vajrasana sitting on your heels. Bring the forehead down to the mat. The hips align closely over the knees. Breathing is normal. Be here for some time. You may place your hands on the sides if you like. Be aware of your breath. Feel the sensations in your entire body. Rolling off sweat, pulling off hair, increased heartbeat. Our goal is to be healthy and active and foster happiness around us. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice. Share with your friends if you get some value out of it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.